Hey, mahalo for staying with us. Auntie, let's go holo.
Sure.
Okay, let's go. Lena Girl.
Any place.
Yeah, Lena Girl is actually going to take us to a gorgeous spot in Mililani where lush, high-quality grass for home lawns, sports fields, and golf courses grows in abundance.
And I know you're talking about Hawaiian turf grass, right?
I am.
Yeah, because I know grass. And I don't have that grass in my yard.
Oh,
That's why you called me. I'm in the yard.
We better hook it up, Auntie.
They should do a commercial of what is and what can be. What is now my house, and then what is them.
Okay, I like that. Let's go.
Grass on the cutting edge. Hawaiian turf grass.
Family, I've been to Mililani before, but I've never been to Mililani like this. This place is just gorgeous. We're talking story with president and founder of Hawaiian Turf Grass. This is Brother Sean Fong. Thank you for letting us be here, brother.
Thank you for coming.
I love this place. It is gorgeous. Now, we are standing on a field that is actually ready to, would you say the word harvest?
She's ready to go.
She's ready to go. And we're going to talk story about her in just a little bit. But, you know, when it comes to turf grass, there's a lot of things that people don't really know. And I know that we've got different climates here in Hawaii. So I have Ohana out in Waimanalo. They live right across the beach. So salt spray, that salt air always gets into the lawn. You guys have a grass for that?
We do, Lena. We got a grass for that.
You guys got okay. But now I live Kaneohe. It is always wet. The grass grows so fast. My brother is tired of mowing lawns, and we have a lot of tree coverage. Is there a grass for that?
We got a grass for that.
You got a grass for that. Okay, that's awesome. But I really want to find out what is the type of grass that we're standing on right now.
This is by far our most popular grass, Toro Zoysia. It's very homeowner friendly, very drought tolerant. It's sustainable. It helps with soil erosion, and it just makes a great grass for our tropical landscapes here in Hawaii.
And it is beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
You know I'd be rolling around in it when you're not looking, right? But I gotta ask you, when you say sustainable, what does that mean?
Environmentally friendly, requiring less water, less fertilizer, less mowing, and still has that quality look and feel.
Beautiful, and I love the color. Does color matter sometimes when it comes to grass?
It's all preference, really. I would explain this as a light, dark green color, but by far it's the most popular variety that we have.
I love it. You know, brother, I appreciate the fact that you've done all of the research, but not just that, you've taken the time to go to school. You know, you're a graduate of the University of Hawaii at Manoa, Hawaiian Studies degree, tropical plant and soil science degree, but you're also certified. Tell us about that special certification.
You know, all of my trainings and experiences have culminated to where we are here today. Malama Aina, Aloha Aina is very important.
I think that's where a lot of the other competitors can't even match you on that level, right? So if families want to come and reach out to you, brother, I mean, whether or not they're a resident or even a business or maybe a school that needs a brand new field with turf grass, how can they reach out to you?
You can check us out on our website, hawaiianturfgrass.com, or even give us a call, 808-371-0527. We're available, text, email, whatever social media, we're there, and we're more than happy to help with supplying you, your personal self, your landscaper, or even a big project like school, fields, and community fields. So just moving down the list, this is our Bermuda.
So tiny, the blades.
So there's fine blade, medium blade, and wide blade grasses.
That's the wide blade.
That's the wide blade. El Toro is considered medium. So that's one way customers can choose grasses is what width do they like? Because it's all preference. Fine blade, medium blade, or wide blade. Yeah, so finer blade.
It's the pokey blade.
Not as pokey as the one that the emerald, the older varieties, but it does have some silica in the blade. This is actually considered barefoot soft, but it's all preference really, and how each customer likes each variety.
It has the same feel.
Yeah, that one is just mowed a little bit lower. We have a lot of informational, educational about our grasses, how it could help you in your projects, or give us a call, 808-371-0527.
Grass on the cutting edge, Hawaiian turf grass.